Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we will learn how to ask questions in different ways using the word like. Would you like a cupcake? Yes, please. I would like a cupcake. Thank you. Do you like your classes? Yes, I like my classes because they are very interesting and I get to learn a lot about different things. What is your grandfather like? My grandfather is very kind, gentle, and friendly. What was the exam like? The exam was very easy because I studied. How did you like the bus ride? The bus ride was very long and boring. What are your friends like? My friends are very funny and they always like to drink milkshakes and have ice cream sundaes. What would you like? I would like a cupcake, please. Thank you. Would you like to go apple picking with me next Sunday? Yes, I would love to go apple picking with you. Thank you for asking. In today's lesson, we learned how to ask questions in different ways using the word like. Thank you for watching with me. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.